There are a lot of screen recorders on the market, but in this video, I'm going to show you how to record your screen using Tella and its native macOS app. Tella is quick and easy to use and has a generous free plan. Before you can start recording your screen, you'll need to download and install Tella for Mac from tella.com/Mac, or if you already have a Tella account, you can download it from your Tella dashboard. For a complete walkthrough of how to download, install, and set up Tella for Mac, click the link in the description to a dedicated video on all of that. So now that we have Tella for Mac installed, this is what it looks like. It's this nice floating preview of your camera that lives on your desktop. If you don't want to record your camera while you record your screen, head down here and click on the camera icon. That will switch it off. Now we're just recording our screen and microphone. If you don't want to record your microphone, you just want a silent screen recording, click on the microphone icon. That will switch it off, and now we are just recording our screen. To pick which screen you want to record, you can click on the arrow option here, and you can see all the options that are available. I just have my entire screen, but if I had any other windows open, they would show up in the list here. You can also use the select area option to draw an area on your screen, and it'll only record what is within that area. I'm going to switch back to entire screen, and I will turn on my camera and microphone again. Before we start recording, I'll tell you about these settings up at the top here. These control the resolution of your camera and the resolution of your screen. The little mouse icon here will hide or show your cursor. I've got it set to show. That means that it'll record my cursor in the screen recording. If you don't want your cursor visible, maybe you're doing a presentation that you don't need your mouse in, then you can hide it and that won't be included. This one here toggles on or off whether you capture the audio coming from your computer. So if you have music playing or you're watching a YouTube video, switching this on, record system audio, will capture the sound coming from your computer, whatever it is. This sound is distinct from the sound coming from your microphone. Now we are ready to record. We can head down here, push the red button, and that's going to start the recording. Now, the coolest thing about Tella is that this preview of your camera and all of the controls here, this is completely invisible to your viewers. You can see this, but when people watch the final video, this is not going to be visible. This means that you can keep this here on your screen and use that to monitor yourself and quickly control the recording without having to go switching through different apps and without sort of messing up the nice clean screen recording that you want at the end of it. So this is a really handy feature. You can just keep this open and don't need to worry that this is going to be recorded. So to the controls, you can cancel your recording. Just go back to the setup screen. You can pause if you want to gather your thoughts, prep something, change something. You can press the button here to resume, and then you can restart the recording if you just want to start the recording right from the beginning again. This is handy if you make a mistake early on to the recording and you just want to start fresh. When you are done with your screen recording, you've done your demo, you've shown whatever it is you want to on your screen, push the stop button and that will stop that clip. Tella has this neat feature where you can record multiple clips. You can see I've recorded one clip and it was a minute long. I could just add another clip to that and that will stack up here where I have 2, 3, 4, 5 clips, however many it is, all combined together in a single video. But if all you need is one clip, and usually that's enough, you can then just push preview. It'll open your recording in your Tella account on the web, just like you see here. You can play back the video. It'll be automatically transcribed if you have recorded any audio, and then you can just click copy link to send this to a teammate or a colleague, and they'll be able to watch the video. You can take things further by downloading your video as an MP4 file if you want to publish it to somewhere like YouTube or another platform, or you can open up the editor and start editing your video right here in Tella. And that is how you record your screen on macOS using Tella. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the Tella YouTube channel to get notified when we publish new content, which we do every single day. See you in the next video.